you know. Susan, get your things. We're out of here. You think we were the first people that them white folks had to pick cotton? Those little Asians ran away. White folks got out there and bitched and got sunburned and died. Mexicans kept picking oranges. Indians wouldn't do shit because you cannot make an Indian a slave. Indians go catatonic on your ass. They're not gonna move until you open up that casino. Here we come, picking this shit and singing. They must like it. We're always the baddest motherfuckers. We put the edge on everything. And don't think they don't watch us. They watch us and recycle and still everything. Wow. They steal everything. They have no fucking nothing. Copycat motherfuckers. On us, the shit is ugly. Our name is cute. Your little big lips and you little